533 was the guy I was talking about that lived 5 minutes away from my house, the world champion Evan Turner. So he started his own company called 533, company that specifies in drone racing parts, such as like motors, frames, and then like everything drone related. What I got to do in 533 was I was the technician in building ready to race drones for customers that like professional FPV pilots. Whenever I get so customers are able to like customize their race drones, and then I'll make that into a real thing. I feel like 300 probably drones in my whole time working there. I build them, so for all the race drones, I'll build them from basically scratch from like individual parts. Like I build the drones and then I'll program the software for this drone and then I'll test fly it to make sure it's as best condition. There's no prop wash, there's no like desyncs for the motors, ESC, and just make sure it's at the best condition before we send it out.